Saving project and exporting projects are two different things. To save your project, go to File over here and click Save Project. And just go to your, and just go to your folder where you want to save your project and save your project as an OpenShot project. When you save this way, you can only open this project with the OpenShot. If you want to export this video, which means that you can play it in VLC Media Player or any other player, go over here, Render, and over here you can see add a file name of your project and change where you want to export your video. So when we export our video, it will be, as you can see, video profile, HD 24 FPS, and MP4 over here. It will be MP4, so you can see it wherever you want. I hope this was helpful to you. Drop some comments below, and have a nice day. Bye bye.